not guilty plea, and I'm sure the prosecutor is going to be reasonable with you. But if she's not, or you don't think she is, you can come back in here and tell me, Judge, I don't like their offer. I want to.
Welcome to Bench Scope USA.
Sir, come on up to the podium and state your name. Your name? You're charged with a DNR fistfinger violation. They think that you were snagging or attempting to snag fish on April 9 of 26 at Hurock Park near Arsenal Road in Flat Rock. You have the right to a lawyer. If you want one, I will give you. You have the right to a lawyer, and if you want one, I will give you one. Would you like? Sure. Do you understand English good?
Yeah.
Okay. So I'm just explaining the charge to you, and the possible penalties are up to 100 fines, 90 days jail, costs are all those. You're telling me if you want a lawyer, if you want one, I can give you one. Today, free of charge, public expense. Would you like a lawyer? I'm just telling you, I have to tell you what the maximums are. Those are the maximum penalties. I have to tell you them. I'm not sending you to jail on this. No. I don't usually go out that far, but I'm not gonna send you to jail. You want a lawyer? Okay. So, all right. So we'll proceed, and I'll send you to the prosecutor. If you don't like what he's offering you, you can come back and tell me, Judge, I want a lawyer. Fair enough? Is that fair enough?
Yeah.
All right. Did you sign, read, and understand the advice of rights? Yeah? Did you read it and understand it? You got to keep your voice up for me. Nice and loud. Speak into that microphone. I'm getting hard to hear.
Yeah, I understand some stuff.
You are presumed innocent. They have to prove you guilty beyond a reasonable doubt. This is a misdemeanor. You have the right to a jury trial. You have the right to the phones there. You gotta. Come on, guys. No more phones, please. I don't know what I have to do. Shut your phones off, or go out in the hallway and put them in your car, or put them in a locker, or leave them with a friend, whatever you feel that's the safest. But I cannot have people coming in here with phones every day. All right, listen. You have the right in a trial to remain silent. They can't compel you to testify. You have the right to remain silent. You have the right to testify if you want to. You have the right to bring in your own witnesses that will help you. You have the right to use the subpoena powers of the court, where I will sign an order for you to bring in your own witnesses. You have the right to cross-examine the prosecution's witnesses. If you plead guilty, you're giving up all of those rights. You're waiving the presumption of innocence and the requirement that you're guilty beyond a reasonable doubt. Do you understand?
Yes.
Guys, you still wish to waive your right to a lawyer? I can't hear you. I cannot hear you. You got to keep your voice up.
Yeah, so,
No, you can't explain. This is just an arraignment. You can go explain to the prosecutor. I'll be glad to enter a not guilty plea. And I'm sure the prosecutor is going to be reasonable with you. But if she's not, or you don't think she is, you can come back in here and tell me, Judge, I don't like their offer. I want a lawyer. So do you want to do that? Enter a not guilty plea?
no, so, what was the charge like?
The charge is snagging or attempting to snag a fish. That's what you're charged with. This happened at Hurock Park, according to the police, the DNR officer, on April 9 of 26. That's the charge. Do you want me to give you a lawyer?
No.
All right, I'll enter a not guilty plea. Somehow you posted, it looks like, am I right? He posted a $10 bond. Is that right, Amy?
Judge, yes, it looks like the conservation fee
Right,
in
right.
there, so he thought that was what he should pay.
So listen, you cannot leave the state without the consent of the court. You cannot violate a law. You must appear in court as directed. I'm going to send you to the prosecutor. You will speak with her. Either way, she's going to send in the file. If you work it out, great. If you don't, and you don't like what they're giving you, then you come in and say, Judge, I want an attorney. Fair enough? Okay? So go out in the hallway. She will call you in. You will talk to her, and then you can decide whether you want to proceed like that. Okay? Thank you. Right, Flat Rock ready over there, guys. People against Corey William Little, 23B143090. 23F240292. Your name, sir? He's up. He's muted. You have to unmute him, officer. Mr. Westmoreland, your name?
Good morning, Judge. Attorney Corey Westmoreland, appearing on behalf of Mr. Little.
You're still muted.
Mr. Little, would you please state your full name for the record?
Corey William Little. Okay, officer, your name?
Sergeant Mitchell.
I'm sorry, Sergeant. My apologies. Okay, so defendant still owes a substantial sum of money. He was sentenced by Judge Hessen on a misdemeanor back on July 20th, 23. He was sent a letter in May of 24. Amy, can you tell me how much he owes on each of these, please?
He owes 185 on the case ending in 090 and 399 in the case ending in 292.
What is he going to do here, counsel? I mean,
Yep.
he's had multiple opportunities. I hope he's got the money. He's been going on for 3 years. We've given him chance after chance after chance. If anything, we should be fault for being so kind. So what is he going to do here?
Your Honor, Mr. Little does acknowledge that he does owe this money to this honorable court. He is a single father of a 2-year-old.
So is he going to plead guilty, or is he going to,
That's correct, Judge. Prepared
is
to.
that what you want to do, Mr. Little?
Yes, yeah, that's okay. Sir.
If you plead guilty to failure to pay $399, you could get 90 days. Do you understand that?
Yes, I have
Just
some.
want to know if you understand. Do you understand?
Yes.
And you also, you said 185 on the other one, right? Is that right? Amy?
Yes,
Why am I getting-
18, yes.
Why am I getting feedback over there?
It's from Flat Rock's jail, Judge.
Can you tell them to ask them to work on that, please, Sergeant? I mean, I don't like to hear my voice that much.
I will let MC know about it.
If you plead guilty to failure to pay 185, you can get 1 day for every $10 owed. You could get 19 days. You can satisfy that in full by payment. In full by serving the jail term, or in part by payment, and in part by serving the jail term. Understand that?
Yes, sir.
All right. Okay, now, if you plead guilty again, Jesus, if you paid $85, you'd only owe 100 on the civil infraction. You get $10 credit for each day served. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
So you'd only have to serve 10 days. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
All right. Now, it's charged that you failed to pay 185 on the civil infraction. How do you plead? Guilty. Did you fail to pay?
Yes, sir, I did.
The charge you failed to pay $399 on the driveway suspend that was revoked, or that was reduced to allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. How do you plead? Guilty. Did you fail to pay on that? Did you fail to pay on that?
Yes, sir.
Anybody force you to plead guilty or promise you to reduce you to plead guilty?
No, sir.
Pleas are accepted. You got a big problem here. Judge Heston was kind with you starting back in November of 23. I was kind with you starting back in July of 23. You hadn't paid, we show cause you. I pled guilty to pay $215. I said you would pay $30 per week beginning July 23. He's had multiple payment plans set up with you. I told you if you didn't have the money to come talk to me, and here we are 3 years later. I hope you have this money. If you don't, you got a big, big problem. You have the money?
I have majority.
Mr. Westmoreland, what would you like to say?
Yes, Your Honor. Mr. Little, currently living in Monroe, he is employed with the Seacoast LLC law firm. He does acknowledge that he owes money. Like earlier, he is a single father. I would just ask for one last option. Payment plan.
When he says he has a great majority, what is that majority?
What could you make a payment?
I can pay you like 150 at least today.
It's not the great majority. You owe the court $584, and you've had 3 years to pay this. And you've been given multiple opportunities.
I could probably come up with at least like $300-400 today. I just don't know exactly what I had when I was arrested in Monroe County. I had $150 in my pocket, so I'm just saying what I know I for sure have in my pocket.
When are you going to grow up?
Sir, I'm not making excuses. I'm holding 100% accountability. I know I was supposed to pay the money. Honestly, I just completed Monroe County probation back in May of last year, and I take care of a son by myself. I'm currently homeless. And I've been trying to get back in with that. I just want a place to live. I was staying in a hotel for the last 3 months.
Where do you
with my
work?
son. So I work at True Cuts LLC.
Who takes care of your son when you're at work?
I have my mom. My mom takes care of him, and then I have like family friends watch him here and there. And then I also have to pay them out of my wages as part time from there. So it's just I'm trying my best here, sir. I'm not making excuses for it. I know I'm supposed to pay it, but I'm really trying my absolute best. I'm sorry. I mean, I could have paid at least $10. I could have paid something. You are right about that, and I apologize. My apologies for that. Yeah, I can pay a few dollars. I have $26 on me in my.
I thought you said on 50.
No, when I was arrested in Monroe, I had 150. My girlfriend was there, and that was the money we were using towards our rent for where we were staying at, so she had grabbed it. But
I thought you said you were homeless.
I am homeless. I told you I just found a little spot to stay at. I literally just found it, and that literally was our first day.
I'm not letting you go.
That we were gonna pay, so.
Okay?
Okay, that's understandable.
Sergeant, let him
Listen, that's what I do, but
have them bring it to the police station. Judge, that's my court officer. When he's done that, he has the money there. And I will go out of my way to figure out a way to help him, but he's got to grow up a lot. So you can text John and let him know, and we'll go from there. I told you to come talk to me. I don't understand this. I understand people like not having money. You never gave us the courtesy. You came in front of Judge Heston and apparently gave her a sound story on multiple occasions. And each time, she gave you an extension. So that's it. Let us know when he's ready. He's got to have a lot more than $26. No, what's your question?
So say for instance, if someone could come in and pay like the $400 bond that I was supposed to be having, instead of paying that $400 bond, is it a way they can pay like $300-400 on the ticket itself?
I'm gonna help you if you act like an adult.
Yes, sir.
Get them to bring you money, and I will work with you. But you can't do what you're doing, okay?
Yes. So,
Any questions?
do I just have to move to the police station?
Yeah, have them bring it to the police station, or you can have them bring it up to the court. But you're in custody until you can come up with some money, and I will work with you. Okay? Good luck. Let John know
What
if
if
you
someone
would
can put
charge
my
him.
bond in?
Please you talk to the chief or your attorney or whoever. Thank you.